Okay, here's Mama May with her sweet little puppies. They are 1 week old. They're doing great. We've got some nice pudgy bellies. Look at these little babies. Look at those little pudge. Oh, and their sweet little faces. Their eyes and their ears are still shut. They'll start opening next week. We just get to hear those sweet little puppy sounds. May's a great mama. She's very attentive to her babies. This is really as exciting as 1 week gets. They have grown a lot since birth to now. They're so shiny. They army crawl to find Miss May. Everyone's so content. All right, woke everyone up so you can see them squirming around. Okay, so let's go over colors and what sex they are. So this little guy is obviously orange collar is a boy. Pink collar is a girl. And then for the black boys, we have blue collar, we have red collar, and we have gold collar. For the girls, we have yellow collar. So yellow is much brighter than the gold. So we have yellow, aqua, and light green. So we have the absolute perfect split when it comes to boys and girls.